Jeff, what would you say to someone if my buyer backed out of the deal? I would sue.
Oh, that's a good question because that just happened. I just did a previous video talking about if a buyer gets cold feet on a deal, what's my options? What can I do? And the response is, I would simply sue the buyer if he backs out of my deal. Yes, you can sue anyone for anything. There's a lawyer out there that'll take your case and represent you. However, you can't make a buyer buy the property. Taking them to court and trying to force them to buy a property, buy your house, it won't work. All you can sue for is damages. And so by the time you spend the money, the time, the energy, take them to court and try to fight the deal, all you're going to get is damages if you can prove that there is damages. And so it's just simpler and easier to stop wasting time, money, energy, release that buyer, start over, get yourself a better buyer, because there's a high percentage chance that you still got to sell the house to someone else. And so you might as well put it back on the market, find a better buyer, and move on with life rather than sell the property, see if you're going to lose any money, see if there's going to be any damages, and then turn around and have to sue the buyer. It's not worth it. It's not worth the stress, the aggravation, the time, the money, the energy. It is just simpler, easier, release them and start over, find yourself a better buyer.